Yo, what's up traders? Today, we're diving back into some serious signal analysis with the Ninja high-tech bot. This thing's got an accuracy rate between 80 and 90%, and we're gonna break down every recommendation it throws at us to figure out exactly how it's making these moves. Now, here's the best part. This bot is yours for free for the next month. Just grab it, start using it, and it's yours forever. Miss out? It's back to being paid, so don't sleep on this. Links in the description. So, our first trade signal today is to go short on the euro against the Japanese yen. The first thing that stands out to me is the heavy bearish volume, which is pushing the price down pretty steadily. Around 4:30 p.m., we notice some big red candles. This could be the result of news hitting the market or traders locking in profits at a key price level. We also see a bit of sideways movement and a doji, which shows there's some uncertainty in the market. But honestly, it looks like the trend is shifting downward. Even though there's been a small spike in bullish activity as we move closer to the current time frame, it's not likely to change the outcome. I'm expecting the price to drop. Plus, the support zones don't really give me confidence that the bulls are ready to take control just yet. Sure, it's bound to happen eventually, but right now, nah, I don't see it happening anytime soon. Alright, while we're waiting for this trade to close, let me tell you about our bot. This is a one-of-a-kind tool that operates with 30 different indicators, combining technical and candlestick analysis, along with price action. It's connected to big data and constantly learning from a massive amount of information, guided by a team of experts with over 9 years of experience. They use the bot in their own trades and make sure everything's on point. And trust me, it works. Be one of the first to start making real money with AI. Now, check out the reviews from people who've already taken the leap and started using it. You can see their feedback on the screen right now. We're super grateful that our hard work is paying off and helping traders all over the world. Thanks for sharing your success stories with us. If you want to give our bot a try or see more reviews from other traders who work with us, just head to the description below. You'll find all the links and info you need right there. Alright, the first trade closed in profit. Let's move on to the next one. To keep things interesting, let's switch up the currency pair and try something new. It's all about seeing more market scenarios that we can break down. This time, I'm going with the euro against the Canadian dollar. By the way, while I'm setting up the trade parameters, let me remind you that our bot doesn't just work with regular currency pairs, it also handles OTC pairs. That means you can trade anytime, evenings, weekends, and even on holidays. With this bot, there's always an opportunity to stack up some cash. You'll find the link to it in the video description. So, our signal is to go short on the euro, and the first thing we see on TradingView is a clear downtrend. The bulls are trying to push back against the bears, giving it all they've got, but their volume just isn't enough. Check out this green candle with that huge lower wick. Even if the price bumps up a little from where it is now, I don't see it lasting long. It's likely to hit a resistance zone, bounce back, and head right back down. Every resistance zone responds with heavy bearish volume right after it forms, which just adds more confirmation to the idea of a downtrend. On the flip side, the support levels aren't really showing the same kind of strength. We see attempts, but there's no real action to change the trend. That said, looking at the current volume, it's reasonable to think a correction might be coming soon. But by then, we'll definitely have closed our trade in profit. Oh, and I've got some awesome news for you. As soon as you start using our bot, you'll get an exclusive invite to our private VIP chat. In there, you'll get daily market analysis from seasoned experts and real-time signals they use to make money themselves. Get started with the bot, join our club, and watch your profits grow. We guarantee you'll double or even triple your first deposit, just like many of our other subscribers have done. Some of them didn't just find a new hobby in trading, they turned it into a big part of their lives and are making serious money, more than they ever imagined. You saw the reviews earlier, so what are you waiting for? You'll find the bot link in the video description. When using our bot, make sure to enter trades right after you get the signal, or as quickly as possible. This is because the bot analyzes the market situation based on the time frame you choose, with just a small window for entering the trade. For example, if you set the expiration time to 2 minutes, the analysis is only for that 2-minute period. So don't miss your entry point. Our final currency pair for today is the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc. But don't rush off just yet. Right after the analysis, I'll be sharing details about an awesome contest where you can win $1,000 with minimal effort. Aside from analysis, I also drop videos where I do big boosts, growing small accounts by $7,000 or more, trade on OTC pairs, and take nearly empty wallets to impressive amounts from scratch. So, we're investing in the rise of the Australian dollar. The setup looks a lot like our first trade, but with a few key differences. Here, after a significant drop in the dollar's value, we're seeing steadily increasing bullish volume and strong bullish candles with long lower wicks. That tells us the buyers have enough strength to take control of the market. So, right here, we should see a support zone forming, which will act as a solid foundation for the currency's price to climb higher. Every support zone on the chart shows increasing potential, with the bulls building up strength during the previous downtrend. This means a reversal is definitely on the way. Meanwhile, the resistance zones are losing their power. While we're waiting for this trade to close, let me tell you about an awesome contest happening right now on my channel. You can win $1,000 just for leaving a random comment. It only takes a couple of steps. Watch this video from start to finish, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and drop a comment related to trading. Keep in mind, only viewers who watch the entire video are eligible. You can only submit one comment, and it has to be on topic. Comments like, "I won $1,000" won't be entered into the contest. I pick the winners every week using a randomizer, and the results are posted on our Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. Aside from contest results, I also post valuable educational content in there to help you quickly level up your skills and mindset for professional trading. Not just with currency pairs, but beyond. Good luck, traders! As you can see, yet another trade is about to close successfully. Want the same results? Then you've definitely got to give our bot a try. I guarantee you'll be more than satisfied, and trading will quickly become your favorite hobby, one that brings in an income your friends will envy. Don't wait for someone else to take advantage of this opportunity. Seize it yourself and start your path to success with us. Alright, we've closed this trade in profit, and it's time to wrap up the video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give our bot a try using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and good luck on your trading journey. Ninja's signing off. Take care, everyone.